In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use margin investing on Robinhood right from your PC. Whether you're looking to increase your investing potential or simply want to explore margin trading for the first time, I'll guide you through each step so you can get started with confidence and understand the key considerations to keep in mind. Let's get started by logging into your Robinhood account on your computer. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Robinhood's website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and access your account. Now that you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon, or possibly your profile picture. Click on it to open the account menu. From that menu, select the option labeled Investing. This section is your main hub for everything related to your assets and investment tools. On the investing page, look for an option called Enable Margin. Click on it to start the process. You'll be presented with an agreement that outlines the terms and conditions for margin investing. It's essential to read through this agreement carefully so you understand the risks and obligations involved. After you've reviewed the information, go ahead and accept the agreement to activate margin trading on your account. With margin enabled, you'll notice an update to your buying power on the same investing page. Buying power reflects the total amount available for you to invest, and once margin is enabled, it will include both your existing cash and any borrowed funds that Robinhood makes available through margin. Now, if you want to buy a stock or exchange traded fund using margin, simply click on any stock or ETF you're interested in. Click on the Buy button. If you're using margin for the purchase, the order screen will indicate that margin funds are being used. Enter the amount you want to invest, then click Review Order. Double-check the details to make sure everything looks good, and then click Buy to complete your purchase. If you're ever curious about how much margin you are actually using, you can easily check your margin balance. To do this, navigate back to the Account menu, select Margin Investing, and you'll be able to view your current margin balance. Now let's talk about some important truths regarding margin investing on Robinhood. Margin allows you to buy more stocks than you could with just your cash, which means it can amplify your gains. However, keep in mind that interest will accrue on the money you borrow, adding to your costs over time. Losses can also be magnified when using margin, so be sure not to borrow more than you can reasonably handle or afford to pay back. Additionally, Robinhood typically requires that you maintain at least 25 to 30% of your borrowed funds as a maintenance requirement, so always monitor your account to avoid unexpected margin calls. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you'll be able to use margin on Robinhood more confidently and responsibly. Thanks for watching and happy investing.